Welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. Following on from the discussion earlier about restoring and cleaning up the drive shaft for the 1600 step nose, I did mention that cleaning these up with wire wheel was my preference, and for some areas it is. However, I thought it'd be worthwhile mentioning because we've found this product absolutely fantastic. Just be mindful of it. It's a really hard polymer open weave wheel. Now, wherever you are watching this, speak to your local suppliers and see what they have. You can find these for use on your angle grinders, and you can also find these in a format that fits on the end of a drill. And for cleaning up something like a tail shaft, I found that using it on a drill is quite sufficient. I'm using a electric drill here, 240 volt supply here in Australia, because I just find that it's got a little bit more torque and allows me to lean into it a little bit. Now, obviously we can lean into this and put a bit of pressure on the tail shaft because it's thick walled pipe. However, when using it on other surfaces, you've just got to be mindful that it can generate some heat, and you could end up really taking some metal off, or you could end up heating and warping it. But thought I'd share that with you, and I'll just show you a little bit quickly on how quickly this actually works. So that's just lightly holding it and running it across the surface, and you can see that it takes the rust off very quickly, brings it right back to a beautiful polished clean surface ready for waxing and wax removal, and then prepping it ready for paint. But a really good product. I'd suggest this would save you a lot of time and effort in the right applications. Just be mindful where you use it. You can see they do wear. This one's worn quite a bit compared to where it was. So you lose a little bit of material, but really, what a great result. So I'd suggest looking for those if you've got them in your neighbourhood. Hope you enjoyed that.